Here's a quick grammar lesson on using be used to and get used to. Be used to and get used to can be used with present tenses. For example, I am used to coming second. I am getting used to living in a tent. They are also used with past tenses. For example, we were used to partying all night when we were younger. I quit my office job. I wasn't getting used to it. And also for future tenses. For example, this dance is hard. I hope I'll be used to it in a few weeks. My husband will get used to a pink bedroom. They can also be followed by a gerund. A gerund is a verb plus ing. For example, everyone in my office is used to working long hours. I'm not getting used to being locked up. And finally, be used to and get used to can be followed by a noun or pronoun. For example, I'm not used to the sun. The cat is slowly getting used to him. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.